Hello everyone, welcome to this video to learn more about the tips and tricks about the AutoCAD Plant 2D. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Shubham Chauhan. I'm a technical consultant with expertise into the manufacturing and process industry. With the 7 years of experience and earlier 4 years of experience with the design of die tools, sheet metal. I have completed my post graduation diploma from IGTR Sambhajinagar. You can check out my LinkedIn profile. So here we are talking about how we can master in creation of the isometric. So there is a small tip and trick. Let's go out within the project setup, and within the project setup let's talk about the number of isometric title blocks. We do have set one of them, and on the right corner you will find out the open ISO style editor. So there are multiple ISO configurations has been set out. I would like to focus on a specific one. Sometimes multiple drawings create, right? So how to minimize those? So here is a tip. So within that layout optimization, just go out to the split optimization. We have to change two certain things from here. If you are very well aware about what are the number of components within your drawings, just specify those or more than those. And another thing I would like to showcase, let's specify the sheet target fitness. Let's specify the sheet target fitness. So instead of 50, I'll make it 100. And before going ahead, let's save this out. So changes successfully saved, and now apply this and close our project setup. Now let's check this out whether our setting has been applied or not. So here we do have some kind of a small kind of equipments and piping. Let's go into the selection of the number line, go into the advanced setting, level of congestions to split ISOs, make it more, and hit OK to production ISO. So this way you can reduce your number of sheets and you can get your maximum of your component within a single or within the minimum drawing sheets. So the ISO production is currently being processed in the background. Once it has been finished, you just have to open your ISO.